Kilala. Kilala ko siya. I knew him. Kilala ka niya. He know you. Kilalanin mo sila. Get to know them. Makikilala ko rin sila. I will meet them too. Magpapakilala ako. I'll introduce myself. Sana makilala mo kami. I hope you get to know us. Ayaw ko siyang makilala. I don't want to meet him. Ipakikilala kita sa kanila. I'll introduce you to them. Kilalang kilala ko siya. I knew her very well. Marami akong kakilala. I knew a lot of people. Matagal ko na silang kilala. I have known them for a long time.